Hiya boys and girls, Matt from the Real Toy Shop. Well, have we got something here for you? Something you not see often, or if ever. We've got a Ultima Black Diamond custom chopper that a good friend he had commissioned and made for him by somebody else who was in it, Harley Master tech, and the thing is just stunning, absolutely stunning. It's got things to cobble dogs with. As we walk around, we'll have a look at some of those. So as I said, Ultima Black Diamond frame. You've got the big spoke wheels, mammoth spoke wheels. We've got, it's a 1450 twin cam, bored out. It's about 1570, something like that. All the details will be in the description. Obviously, we're cammed, we're tuned, we've got the big carb on it. Proper SVA'd, this one. It's been through the SVA system. Big set of pipes on there as well, look. It's super traps. You've got the billet chrome brakes. It's like a Softail style frame, so you're not seeing any suspension at the back. You've got the fancy discs on there, the big spokes again. This seat was custom made. This was somewhere in the region of about 570 quid. I've got the bills and that for that. There's loads of bills for all the parts and setting up and everything else. These neat little clamp things, look, that you put on there. All the attention to detail is just lovely. Obviously everything's nicely powder coated black. We've got a Ultima 6-speed box in here as well. We've got the heel rests, fancy levers and stuff on there, brake levers and pegs, and the thing just looks lovely. It really does. It's got a look. I don't think camera does it justice. Well, it doesn't. I know it doesn't. Stood here next to it, it just feels fantastic. It's on a 20 plate. It's a 20 plate, SVA'd, proper 20 plate. So you've got a 20 plate custom chopper, which you just never see. That. We've got a chain drive as well. Proper man's bike with a chain. Again, blacked out derby covers, blacked out primary, Optimate connection there. Ignition there, look. And moving round, we've got these super duper ape hangers with the strengtheners in there, with the hold strengtheners. You've got underbar mirrors. We've got a GPS speedo on here. Trick speedo, does all sorts of things. You measures your 0 to 60 and stuff like that if you're into that. So that's on there. Engine fully rebuilt as well with those bigger pistons and what have you. The cam, again, billet brakes up front. You've got the black chrome looking discs on there. I want some of them on my bike. Yeah, Pete, if you're watching, I want some. Yeah. What else can I say? On this one, I'm not sure if we can finance it or not. If we can, we'll give it a go. That's all I can say to you. But if you've got a part exchange, that's number one thing, isn't it? Let's get this order of play going, Matt. Get your teeth back in. So if you've got a part exchange, on our website, therealtoyshop.com, with a part exchange form, give that a whirl, and that gets us going, you know, along the way to seeing if what you've got is what we want. Mainly pictures and everything else, that's not a problem. You know, everything you're seeing and you want before you buy this bike, guess what? We want the same. It's covered next to no miles at all since it was built. It's been in friend's front room, pride of place, and yeah, sometimes I wonder why he's selling it, but so does he. But he does swap and change. He's had that many bikes off us, it's unreal. LED, little number plate lights there, layback plate. I think I'd go mad and put a black and chrome one on it, but risk of a wrath, probably shouldn't say that, should I? Probably get arrested. Especially in this day and age, you can't even think, can you? You get arrested. So hopefully you can see in there just how clean, but then it's going to be. It literally is like owning, you can't say brand new, can you? I don't think you can do that. But it's like as recent as possible finished 20 plate chopper. Guess when it was finished? Yeah, 2020. But it's been living inside since then. All the best bits, as we know, and everything else. So we've got the Part X bit out of the way. The finance bit, we'll have to try. Ring Lisa or Scott in the office, they'll give it a go. That's all we can do, isn't it, really? Oh, that's not ours. That's not ours. There's somebody else's. What are we going to say about that? I have to get Scott and give him some retraining. RealToyShop.com is the website for the part exchange form. Phone number is on that website. After that, delivery. Well, we'll deliver it anywhere in the mainland UK for nothing, nada zip. So, what does that mean? It means it'll be my happy smiling face bringing this bike to you just as you see it here. It's not hard, is it? Or it might be our dedicated motorcycle courier if you're in a far-flung area, you know, top of Scotland, bottom of Cornwall, something daft like that. Then we'll use our dedicated courier who does not bring washing machines or anything else, just bikes in a properly adapted motorcycle van. That's that. Before we make it make noise, well, we all know this is going to sound ace, but if you've got questions and stuff like that, we totally understand. Get us called, talk to us all day, but ask your missus first before you do that. Your mother, your brother, your dad, your lover, whoever you need to ask permission off, or just grow up here and get the bike. But that'd be easy, wouldn't it? A lot easier. Look at the money. It's just everywhere I'm looking, I'm seeing pound signs. People don't appreciate really what goes into building something like this. Just the little tricky details. So that's that. Let's make a noise. Right, ignition key. Am I going the right way? No, that's the right way. Here we go. Yes, I warmed it up. Oh, that's getting the GPS signal now, so that's waiting on the GPS. So wait for that to do that. Might not get it in here, because we're in a metal roof building. Hopefully that's not going to shake off my piece of wood, because if it does, I own it. Got a little chokey on there. Now, again, I told you I keep forgetting things, didn't I? Right, what's this then? Look at them. How neat are they? And then we're integrating the back as well, aren't we? Of course we are. All integrated. Stop that. That stopped. Let's go for off choking. Look, she's turning on me, But how quiet and how nice does that sound? Remember, built by a Harley Master tech, not just by Fred in a shed. That's your bike. Your Ultima Black Diamond, with as many trick bits as you can probably throw a stick at. So, order a play, Part X form, realtoyshop.com. Get that done. Might need some pictures, whatever. Number 2, if you need a bit of finance, let's try. Lisa or Scott in the office. Number on the website. Number 3, let's get it in a van. Get it in your shed as quick as we can. No pose like a Harley chopper, that is for certain. And while we're at it, can I just ask a little favour? If you've liked it, like it. If you'd like to see more of the same, let's subscribe it. Costs you nothing. We think subscription, you're going to have to pay. No, none of that. Just gets you, as soon as I release a little video, you'll get to know. And you can watch it first. Sometimes they get on here before they even hit the website. So, that's it. I'm out of here. Ask your missus first. Likes and subscribes. Thank you. Cheers for now.